Hola! What's good? Today, I'm gonna show you how to get a ringtone on Google Hangouts. Let's start. So first you need to download a song, which is a very simple process. For my song, I'm going to be using Gunslinger by Pegwarnerds, just because I think it's a good song. What you want to do is you want to click share and copy link. Then you want to open up Google and click on the link in the description, which leads to YTMP3, and I will be putting that link in the description, so yeah, just note that. Then you're just going to want to paste the link that you just created, and you click convert. Then it initializes. May take a little bit. And then eventually it should pull up this, and you just want to click download and nothing else. Just click download. Do not click anything else. And I already have the file, so I don't need to download it. But for you, it should just download pretty easily. And you won't need Google anymore. Then what you want to do is you want to open up Hangouts. And you want to go to settings. And you click on the account you are using. In this case, it's this one. And you get to this settings, in which you want to go to incoming calls, and then you want to go to sound, and then when you scroll up, you want to click plus, and then you should be able to find wherever it is. Should be there, and you just click on that. As you can see, my sound is Pegwarnerds, Gunslinger. And yeah, that should be it. Now, as you can see, do all that, and it should be good. So yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, maybe I might make more tutorials about this. I don't know, but yeah, thanks for viewing.